nights. Sort out all the lies. Oh, baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and it is Karen and Earl, and we're on our way, you know where, to go see if there's any updates on the house. I heard that they are. I'm very excited to see. I want to say hello to everyone and let you guys know that if you're watching my channel, hello and welcome. Over here on this channel, I like to do cooking, cleaning, DIYs, decor, vlogging, lifestyle, all kinds of things you're going to find here on this channel, even fashion sometimes as well. Right now on my channel, we're doing a series on a new home journey build. We're building model KB Home Model 2596. Yes, that is the model number, right? 2596. I keep getting it confused. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're working with KB Homes and we're super excited. We are in the process of building our forever home, guys, and we're super excited. So if this is something that excites you, come on over. If you haven't seen all the previous videos, go ahead and get caught up, because I do believe this is part 11 of our home series. I also have some decor videos that go along with this series, because I have been doing shopping in advance, so that we can have decor and all those types of items ready to go into the new house. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
I think he's excited too. So anyway, guys, we're going to take you in the house when we get over there, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we got us, looks like we got us some electrical, some electricity. Oh, this is where we got this on both sides of the garage, and we'll have some lights. The lights that we're going to put up there, we just did the standard ones, but I think we're going to go ahead and get something different to put here. We just did the very standard ones, whatever. So, look, a little outlet right there. This is the neatest thing. Look, oh, this is where the doorbell is gonna go. Y'all, it is so funny how you get super duper excited for the smallest things. But look, this is where our light switches are gonna be. Our little rocker switches. It shows rocker switches. Look at all of this electrical, babe. See that? Oh my. So we're going to, they're going to be doing a lot more to the house next week. And we're going to actually have our pre-drywall meeting. So we're going to bring you guys along, of course, because we want you guys to, you know, kind of understand what goes on with this type of journey. You can tell they've tried to sweep in here. They've cleaned up a little bit more.
Yeah, lots.
Yeah, so that's pretty neat. So yeah, let's go in here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I just want to make sure that they have, like, because we did get a ceiling fan for right here, so that's there. Then I guess this will be the switch to go into, no wait, this might be the switch for, is this where the TV is gonna go? Like, no, we got regular, right? Didn't we get regular because we weren't gonna mount the TV?
Yeah.
Hold on, guys, I have an actual phone call. Hey guys, so we figured it out that we only got two electricals for the TV, and that's in the living room and in the game room upstairs. But down here, in our bedroom, we're actually gonna just keep our TV sitting on the dresser. So this is actually the light switch to go into the closet, to turn the light on, which there's the light right there, which is cool to see. Now let's go in here and see what electrical we got right here. So I guess this is kind of cool to know, because like if I ever want to switch out the light fixture here, we can, because, and there's only that one little thing, there's not two. So that's kind of cool to know. And then we have a light here in the shower. And then there's no lights in the closets, and then this is the light switch to turn everything on. And then I think there's actually, there must be going to be a plug here and then a plug here. which is pretty cool. Yeah. All right, so I'm trying to go through here and remember everything and where everything is supposed to be. So we're going back here. Oh, yay, I'm loving all of the recessed lighting. I love light. I love light. And it's gonna be in the proper place. Light here, we got a lot of light in here. I'm loving it. I am loving it, honey. Let me just say, y'all, I cannot wait to see like drywall up. I actually had a dream that I was in the house and it was all drywall and I was so excited. So then we got electrical here. This is gonna be under the cabinets. This is for, I guess, the microwave and stuff. And then I guess this is for the double oven, right, babe? That's what that plug is for the double oven. And then we have a light up here, right? And then I guess the electrical to turn on inside. I guess you turn on the light inside of the pantry, which is pretty darn cool.
Yep, they got the
Pre-wire for the ceiling fans. Yeah, there they are. So that'll just be pre-wire. We'll get ceiling fans later for outdoors. I think we'll be getting them at the right time because we're moving in here probably in November. Hopefully there's a lot of sales on the ceiling fans and stuff. And I think, is this for, it's gonna be an outlet. That's neat. That's good to have. Ooh, for blenders and toasters and whatnot you want to put right there. Oh, one on each side. Are any of them, I wonder, any of them gonna be USB? Because I've seen that in one, I think, in one model, but I don't know, where you can kind of plug up stuff. And then, what is this one for? Is that for the garbage disposal?
No, that's the minute. It's replug.
Why would they have a plug underneath the sink?
The sink is going to be that way.
Yeah, I know. Oh, so that'll be underneath the, oh, okay, I got you.
That's going to be the...
And then this blue right here is the garbage disposal.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'm learning. Yep, I'm learning. All right. And then there's gonna be a light inside the closet here. And then looks like we have one light here in the flex room. Right there. We have one light in here. We have electrical for the dryer. Yeah. Electric for the dryer. And wow, a lot of electric out here, babe. Look. This is awesome.
Oh, cool. They ran one right over there.
That's probably for the garage door opener. You know, the things that they put down there?
No, that's ours. Because they're not installing the garage door.
No, but they have it pre-wired. They'll have it pre-wired for garage
That's
door.
what these are, I think.
Yeah, but you know how they have those sensors? I don't know. What is this one for? Okay. All right, guys. Now we're going to go upstairs. We're going to go upstairs. All right. See what kind of... Oh, wow. Look at the lighting up there. Y'all see those blue dots?
Well, the fuse box is going to be on that side.
Blue dots. They're getting stuff in the closet, right? That thing is supposed to be in the closet?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Because like I said, we have that drywall meeting next week, so we'll be able to ask all kinds of questions. Then, well, whew, it's warm up here. And there's the light switch there. don't know what this is for. Oh, this is probably for the, oh, no, that would be downstairs though, right? For the HVAC? For the thermostat? Because I think we're only doing one, which I think is downstairs. Then more light switches. There. We have 1, 2, 3 lights up here. I like. Oh no, 4, 5. Wow. We have 5 lights here. Do y'all see like there, right there, there. There's 5. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So again, this is KB Model Home 2596. If you guys are interested, look it up. Well, actually, you can look it up on my channel. I actually went to the model, so I'll put that up here so you guys can click on that. If not, I'll have it in the description box below too, so that way you guys can see it. So then we're going into Earl's office, and you got your outlet where you want it, right? Where did you say you wanted it? You wanted them to move it to?
No, that's cable. Yeah, not cable.
Oh yeah, cable is next week. So it'll probably be in here Monday. Cable will be in here Monday. That's right. So yeah. And then we have more outlets here. This is the spare bathroom, sorry. And then we have an outlet right here next to the sink, which is cool too. You know, for blow dryers and straighteners and shavers and all kinds of ers. All right. And then we got some more stuff. Then there's the, I just want to make sure that there is lighting in each room, because we've been watching all kinds of vlogs where people are like, hey, we're supposed to get a light in here and there's no light in here. But I like to, if you guys can see that blue, that's here in the hallway, and then there's another one right here, right before you go into my room. That blue is another light in the hallway, which is pretty cool. Then you walk into my office space, and then I have a light fixture will go there, and another light fixture here in the closet, which I am truly thinking about, just to save some space, I'm truly thinking about putting my vanity in this space and then only having my desk out here. I have been thinking about that, about doing that. Or I could always put my vanity right here in this area and actually sit here, because there's a seat I can get a cushion. So I don't know. You guys tell me what you think, you know? But I think I'm gonna put my vanity in the closet, to be honest with you. That's what I want to do. But I think from what I remember, everything is where it's supposed to be, even our plug-in right here, because we're going to mount our TV up. So we were supposed to have one here and one here, and that's exactly what we have. So I can say I do remember all of that stuff, and I don't think they've skipped anything or missed anything. I think we're gonna be good to go. What do you think, babe? Yep. So yeah, guys, are we excited? We are excited.
Yes, we are. Yep.
We're excited.
We got electric, so now it's just what is it? Telephone, cable, and then sheetrock meeting.
Yeah.
Drywall meeting.
And then drywall. And so from what we're thinking right now is we'll be moving in maybe around mid-November, or maybe even the week of Thanksgiving. Mm-hmm. That's our timing. But hey, I will take it, honey. I will take it. So yeah, I think that's it. I am gonna get out of here. I have groceries to go pick up in a few. Yeah, I have a whole nother video to tell you guys about that I've discovered about my health. It's nothing scary, But I tell you what, I'll just go ahead and tell you guys, I think I could possibly have celiac disease. If any of you guys have celiac disease, comment below. Tell your girl the symptoms that you had. Tell her what you be eating and all that. And y'all know I'm a cook. I'm the cook. So like I said, with Thanksgiving and all that coming up, I'm still gonna cook the way I do for my family, but I'm gonna have to do some different things for myself. I'm even thinking about desserts because that's my favorite part, like sweet potato pie. I did see that they do have gluten-free crust and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna have to learn to cook the sweet potato pie a little different for myself and not put in, you know, flour and wheat and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, yeah, I discovered it in the worst way. If you guys have celiac disease or know somebody that's got it, y'all know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and close this vlog or this video for today's update. You will get an extra one this week because, like I said, we will be going to we'll be coming here Wednesday, so you may either get the video on Wednesday night or Thursday, but you will be getting an extra video. So I would think you'll be getting 3 videos this week. Okay, so babe, you want to say goodbye to the people and tell them what to do so they can see our videos?
Please like, subscribe, comment, and just share it. Just be nice. Just be neighborly. Just share it. You know?
Yeah, because we really are trying to promote our channel. We're trying to get it out there. You know, I've been at 1,000+ subscribers for so long, but I really am rededicating myself to the channel. I really love doing this, and especially because I got so much more content. Like, there's so much more to see. So you guys need to go ahead and, like he said, subscribe, like, comment, share, all those good old things. And tell your friends, tell everybody about us over here at Darkberry 32, that we got a whole new home journey with KB Homes, and we want you guys to come along. Okay, all right guys, we will talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.